Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue with how to make a RPG game part 7. So in this video you want to learn how to equip a weapon. In this case it's going to be a sword we make in the last video. So let's do it. So go to Unreal and here we want to equip this. So we need to inputs for that. So I'm gonna say edit, I'm gonna pro the setting, go to input, then wanna create a new one, so go to the plus, I'm gonna change the name, we're gonna say equip, for example, or equip weapon, which sounds better. They wanna use the button maybe E, for example, you can use whatever button you want. I'm going to be E. I want to use the Xbox controller, so I'm going to use shoulder right. So they're going to be the RB in the Xbox. So that's it for now. So close this. So okay. So now we want to put this in the map. So now if we pick it up, we destroy it because we make this in the last video. So we need to change a few things here. So first we want to add better space here. So select everything, collapse to nodes, and I call it overlap. So I have more space here. The one will move over here. That's it. So we go to the DP character. We want to create a variable, a new variable. They want to call a sword, like that. It's for reference for the sword we want to pick up. When you compile and save, this variable is already untrue, so you don't have this sword. So it is perfect. So now we go back to sword VP. So in here, we need a reference for the character. So the best way to do it, so we need to use it, would be in begin play. Begin play. I'm gonna cast it because we need a reference. So cast to DP character. Daniel Pintado character. Object gonna be get player character. Number 0, que is the main character. In here, I'm going to promote to variable. So now we have the reference as DP character. That's perfect. So compile and save. We can collapse this if you want, but for now it's okay. So go here, go here. So now we need to use this reference. Get a set the same. We're gonna set sword. So if we interact with this sword, I want to have it already. So it's gonna be like that. Compile and save. So that's it. So now every time we pick the sword, they're gonna say we have it. So save. So if you want to true this is working or not, so go here. They'll say print string. It connect this con this, so they're gonna, if it's working, they wanna say true. So compile and save. So now we're gonna play. If you go in here, we play the button, say true in the left corner. It's perfect. So it's working. So we don't need this anymore. Like that. I'm going to collapse this, more space, so interact, like that, and they want to. So more space, so begin, play. Don't have it together, that's okay. Begin, play, like that. Compile and save. We don't need this anymore, so close it for now. So here, now we have this. So I want to use that new input we create. So I'm gonna use it. So set equip weapon. So like that. So now if I want to equip the sword, I want to know first if we have it. So I'm gonna say use this variable, get it. They wanna say a branch, so we need to know if it's true or not. Go here. If it is true, I want to spawn actor from class like that. What actor we want? The sword. So I'm gonna set sword BP like that. So now if we compile, we're gonna say error because we need to select the scale. So here you want to right click, it's split struct pin. So this way you have 1, 1, 1. This is scale to the blueprint. So compile and save from the sword blueprint. So in here we need to we want to promote this to variable. If you want, it's better for more organized everything. So here promote to variable. I'm gonna call it sword blueprint. So I know this the sword blueprint. And here I'm gonna say attach. In this case, it's gonna be actor because this is an actor to a component, to another this component here. So because it's gonna be in arms, so gonna be actor to component like that. There's the target. Why the parent? Where you want to attach to? It's gonna be the arms. So I'm gonna put it here like that. So now we need to keep relate. We don't want to change this to a snap to target like that. So in here, we want to create another variable. We want to say the sword equip, for example. So now I know this equip it like that. This equip like this. So now we need to socket name. So I'm gonna go to the skeleton. So go to DP character per person, DP per person skeleton. We want to create one. Where you want to create it? Well, if you want to use the right hand, you can use it, or if you want to use the left. In my case, I want to use the right hand. So they're gonna looking for the right. So right there. So in here, we want the right button. I'm gonna say a socket. Here, I'm gonna change the name because the name is confusing. So I'm gonna say weapon hold or weapon hand. That's more understand. So weapon hand like that. So now I want to put something look better here to know where exactly the sword is gonna be. So in here, I'm gonna right click button. It said a preview asset. What asset we want? So I want to the sword. So I'm gonna say sword. They're gonna be where it is right here. It's okay. So it's some big. So it's okay. So better to use another one probably. But it's okay. So here, sword. Oh my. And here, remove attach asset. Better to put another one. Create asset. So we want to choose another sword. So it's better to see a sword because it's too big. Oh my. Add socket. Sword. I want to use the one. No, it is not a sword, but wow. They want to working better. So in here, we want to move something more like close to. But we need to better to see better. Go to animations. So I create already one animation. So you know how to make animation already. So I show you what I create. I create this one. Like only for no guy have a sword in the hand. So that's perfect for this purpose for this video. So I'm gonna here And here, I'm gonna preview controller. When I use a specific animation, select the animation you want. They're gonna be this one. So now I have it here. So now I want to this sword. So select the socket. So you know what socket you want. Don't use the hand. Sometimes you have this mistake. So go in here, something like that. More close, something like that. So for the purpose of this video, they're gonna be okay. If you take more time, they're gonna look better. So maybe I wanna rotate a little bit, like that. That's it. I'll save it and close. So remember the name is a weapon hand. So I'm gonna go again at blueprint, and here we're gonna call the name weapon hand, like that. So now we want to see if it, for later it's gonna be unequipped. So in here they wanna say another branch. They're gonna use sword equip. So in here they wanna say branch again. So this way, if it's not equipped, I want to keep it. If it is equipped, if true, I want to unequip. So they're gonna say destroy actor. What actor I want to destroy? The sword. You can use the one or you can use the one to look better. And you need to set this again, but this time and untrue. So it's not kept already. So these are already done. So now we need to go to the, well, yeah, we want this finished already. So go to the animation blueprint. So now we need to use the animation for this variable. So go to new state machine. We want to create a new one here. Put it out. They want to set add state machine. They want to set sword equip, for example. And you need to go to the idle to sword equip and to the sword equip to idle. So we're going to back to like that. So if you compile and save, you have this error because you need to put here the animation. So go to DP Words Equip. I'll put it like here. Compile and save. Now we have two more day one. So day one to idle to a sword. We want to create a new variable here. So the from here is a promote to variable. I want to call it a sword equip, like that. So now I have it. Sword equip. Compile and save. Now we want one more left. So here they want to be the same. So sword equip, but this time unequipped. So they want to put it here. Say not boolean. If not equip, like that. So compile, save. Now no error. So this is done already. I don't want to use this jump style, so I want to delete it. I want to use another style later, so I want to have more space here. I don't want to use these two, so I want to delete this. Yes, you delete this. Yes, like that. So now to go to the event graph again. Well, now. So now we need a reference from this, from the player. So push this out from here. So now we need to cast again. Cast DP character, like that. And here object gonna be the player. So get player character, like that. Number 0, the main character. So in here we need to need a variable. So promote to variable. So now we have it here, like that. So we want to use this. Again, we're going to use this set air, so I want to delete it. and this one, they're gonna delete this. I don't like it. And this one, gonna move it here. Why they get velocity? We can get the velocity too from here, so we can move this over here. So get velocity. We don't need this anymore. And this one, well, oh my. So move this one too, like that, like that. We don't need this. Well, actually, we don't need it. So delete it. Later, when I use later. So now, from this one, they're gonna be. You can use from here or the new one. So I wanna use the one. So get, gonna set a keep, get a story keep. So now we want to put the same one to this one. So drag this down here, gonna set it. So now it's the same. This one is the same and this one. I put it right here. It does it from here. So combine and save. Go to the player. So that's it. Just supposed to work right there. So go to main, save everything. So now if we go play, if we close to the store, we can pick it up. So if I press RB, I keep it. If I press again, and I keep it. I keep it, and I keep it. I keep it, and I keep it. So that's it. You know how to equip weapons. So if you see, you have here the shadow. They don't look good for that one. So because my arm they don't have shadow. So if I want to don't look like that, so I use the blueprint. Here first more faster. Here go to the static mesh, and here go to when they said like here catch shadow. So I'm through. So compile and save. So now if I keep it, now I don't have shadow for the store. So we can move the store a little bit so it can be more close to what I wanted. So go to here, no skeleton, yes. Oh, there's a little mess here, per person, skeleton, right there. So now go move it, so read point, what is this? Oh, deal from for the template, we don't need it, so delete it. You wanna use what I create before, so gonna be here, weapon hand. So I this to up, so gonna go a little down, like that. So save it, gonna try again. So if I pick up, take a little more, so go to here, go down, save it, try again. Like that. Oh my god, too much. So go a little more, a little up, like that. So save it. Yeah, keep it like that. That look better. So that's it. So now I can save this guy. So we need to fix that later. But for now, we can have this. So it's perfect. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. If you want to talk to me directly, you can go to my Discord. So thank you. Bye bye.